Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Steelseries Sonar for streaming. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using Steelseries Sonar for streaming typically involves connecting the device, configuring audio settings, and adjusting preferences as needed. Here's a general guide on how to use Steelseries Sonar on a PC. Firstly, open the Steelseries, then go to the Settings, go to General section, and enable the Sonar. Once activated, navigate to PC Sound Settings, set Steelseries Sonar as a default audio playback device, and microphone. Now, go to the Sonar, go to Game, use the volume knob on Steelseries Sonar to adjust the volume levels to your preferences. Adjust equalizer settings and customize audio preferences. Now, plug your headphones or speakers in the headphone jack on Steelseries Sonar. Make sure they are securely connected. Play some audio on your PC to test if Steelseries Sonar is working correctly. You should hear sound through your headphones or speakers connected to the device. After adjusting volume levels and equalizer settings to your liking, it's time to configure your streaming setup. Now, let's initiate the streaming setup. Navigate to the Twitch website. Make sure to log into your account. And click on your profile icon from the drop-down menu. Choose Settings. Within these settings, navigate to the channel and videos. Then proceed to the stream section. Copy the primary stream key provided. After copying the key, switch to OBS and access its settings. Click on Stream, then choose Twitch from the Service drop-down menu. Paste the stream key into the designated box and click Apply, followed by OK. Now, click on the Start Streaming in OBS and navigate to Twitch website to confirm that your stream is live. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.